graph below shows a line and triangles A and B. All right, so we've got two triangles, A and B, attached. Their hypotenuses, I don't know, are attached to the same exact line, share the same exact slope, but B is bigger than A. Okay, which statement about the graph is correct? So it talks about slope is blah, 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 length of the hypotenuse is blah, blah, blah. So this is what we need to do. We need to do two things. We need to find A, the slope, and then B, compare the length of the hypotenuse from B to A. All right, I can do this. Let me see. The slope is negative. So just pick any 2 points. How about U? And how about U? So slope is going to be negative down 1, 2, right 1, 2, 3, so down 2 over 3. So slope is negative 2 over 3. The slope is negative 3 over 2. The slope is negative 3 over 2. The slope is negative 2 over 3. The slope is negative 2 over 3. Now it's a toss-up. Now it's talking about comparing the hypotenuse length. So it's either going to be 3 over 2 times bigger or 2 times bigger. I don't want to use the distance formula. I really don't. I don't want to try to calculate the distance of the hypotenuse. I really don't. But you know what I can do? I'll just look at the leg and see that this leg is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this leg is 1, 2. So if you're 4 and you're 2, and if I wanted to do this, you're 3 and you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B is 2 times bigger than A, which means whatever this is, B is going to be 2 times bigger than it. So B is 2 times bigger than A. So the slope is negative 2 over 3. Got it. The length of the hypotenuse in B is 1.5 times the length? No. The length of the hypotenuse in B is 2 times the length of A.